Hello. So in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of installing any workflow app gotten from subaccount. So the process is pretty easy. I'm going to explain what agency owners see on their dashboard and what account owners will see on the dashboard. So if you're an agency owner, when you go to App Marketplace, you see the possibility to either select agency view or sub account view. So since we want to install a sub account workflow app, we're going to select sub account view. And then next thing you have to search your app. So in this case, I'm going to use Zoho Invoice as an example to explain this process. So you're going to type Zoho Invoice and then head up to install. Okay, so next is you're going to click on install and then you're going to select the sub account to which you want to install the app. That's for agency owners. So I'm going to select this sub account and then click on allow and install. Once that is done, you can see your app is successfully installed. So after this stage, you're supposed to have the ability to enter the client ID and client secret. So moving forward, all you have to do is you have to refresh this page and then you will see a custom menu link added to your account with the name of your workflow app. So since in this case we're using Zoho Invoice as an example, so after refreshing, we're supposed to see Zoho Invoice appearing here. So you just have to refresh. After refreshing, there it is, you see Zoho Invoice. So all you need to do is you have to click on Zoho Invoice to continue with the configuration. So when you click on Zoho Invoice, you're supposed to see this. So here you can access the documentation of the app. Here you can see the tutorial on how to get the credentials and then you can configure your app. So mine is already configured, but I'm just going to show you how it's going to be. So you just have to click on start setup and fill this information. So since I have my informations already, after adding them, I just have to click on submit and then your app is going to be successfully connected. To get the tutorial or the setup on how to get the client ID and client secret, you can access them here. So you just have to watch this tutorial and this is guide. Pretty easy. You're going to see how to get that. So this is installing any workflow app. If you're an agency owner, this is how it's going to look like. So if you are an account owner, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to log in as someone. For account owners, so this is how that's what it's going to look like. All you have to do is you just have to search for your app here directly. You don't have to toggle anything here because account owners don't have that possibility. So you just have to search for your workflow app. In this case, I'm still going to be using Zoho Invoice to install as an account owner. So you just have to type Zoho Invoice. And here is the app. So all you have to do is you just have to click on the install button, click on allow and install, and your app is going to be successfully installed. This is how it's going to look like. So the process is still the same. All you have to do again is to refresh your page and you will see a custom menu link added to your account with the name Zoho Invoice. That's for this case since we're using Zoho Invoice as an example. So if you're trying to install, let's say Pably or any app, you're going to see Pably. So we're going to click on the refresh button. So after refreshing, you'll see the name of the workflow app you're trying to install. In my case, I'm using Zoho Invoice, so this is it. And here is the same thing. The process is the same. You can access the tutorial here on how to get the client ID or client secret, and then you can access the documentation of your app here. and you can set up everything here. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.